and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been here, and the last video that I did before the new year in December around Christmas time was a Stitch Fix unboxing. Well, I'm doing another Stitch Fix unboxing because, spoiler alert, if you haven't watched that video already, I didn't pick anything out of that fix. While that box had some interesting items and some pieces that could have possibly worked, I just didn't think they could work for me at this time of the year and what I had been looking for. So when I sent that fix back, I was offered a quick turnaround fix. I took it, and this fix arrived just about Christmas time. But I'll be honest, I wanted to take a little bit of time off. Just needed some downtime. I was off a couple of days around Christmas from work, and I just needed a refresher. I stepped away a little bit, took some time for myself, spent some time with my family, and I actually just extended the checkout on this fix. But now I'm back and I want to share with you. There are two outfits in this fix, 5 items. But if you aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, let me just give you a quick refresher. There are usually 5 items in a fix. So when you sign up, Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You sign up, you fill out a style profile, and you get matched with a stylist. Normally they charge you, I believe it's a $20 styling fee, but if you use my link in the comments, you can get that fee waived for your first fix and also get $25 to shop anything in your fix, as well as I get $25 as well to shop anything in my current fix or future fixes. So without further ado, let's jump in, let's take a look. And I have some paperwork, so I'm gonna open that first. And in my paperwork, it says, oh, hello. And this paperwork includes a nice style card with all the items in my fix and also a personalized note. So let's take a look and read that. And since this fix was delivered towards the end of December, they considered this still a December fix. I'm going to list it as a January fix since I'm going to probably share it the first week of January on my channel. But here's the note. Happy December, Janine. Congratulations on your 50th fix. That's right. I have been getting Stitch Fix for 50 fixes already. We are so honored to be on this stylish journey with you and look forward to many more fixes that make you feel and look fabulous. The holidays are here and I'm excited to be styling you. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy week to check out your preview and selecting some amazing pieces to try out. I get the preview, so I'm able to kind of see what is available in the preview, and I think I kept 2 out of the 5 items. Is it 5 items? I think, no, actually I'm lying. I think it's like 7 or 8 items that they give you. I only kept 2. I picked out this pair of dressy leggings that will pair great with an oversized sweater and these DOLCE VITA booties for a holiday trendy look. I can't wait to hear how these styles work for you today and any feedback you have for us. Anything missing from your winter closet that we can help out with, check out our freestyle shop to purchase any last minute holiday needs that you have. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season. Holiday cheers, Melissa. Another new stylist, by the way, and still pushing freestyle. I know we've had this conversation, so I'm going to pass on by that. So again, that's the style card and the note from my stylist. Also in the fix is this paper that says thanks for letting us style you, and this is just the receipt of all the items. So we'll get to that a little bit later, but again, this is fix 50 for me. That said, I'm gonna jump right into the try on. I'm already wearing the first outfit. So let me start by saying, not a bad holiday outfit. So I'm back and I'm rusty because I didn't even realize my battery was about to die. But we're gonna try to at least get one of these outfits filmed. I'm trying to charge the battery a little bit at a time. So I have on 2 of the items from this fix in outfit number 1. I did not put the Dolce Vita boots on only because I have booties and I shared from Express that I thought would go better with this outfit. But on top, to begin with, is the Love ELLIE Mia back detailed pullover. And by the way, you should have seen pricing before I started this try on. This top, I know Carolyn and her closet, she wanted this top so badly. And I believe this was the color she wanted it in. And I remember hearing her talk about it on her channel. While I like this top, I'm not sure I'm sold on it because I have a lot of other tops in this color. The only awesome feature is in the back, so I'm going to share that in a second. And I think that's why Carolyn loved this top. But let me pull away so you can see the full length of this top. So here's the front, and here's the back of the top. And this top is like in an olive green color. Let me show you the color real quick. Camera's not doing the color justice, but it is like an olive green color. And the feature that Carolyn had shared that she loved, and don't mind the tag, is this crisscrossing in the back. So it has like a crisscross feature down the back. It is cute, I mean, and I have it paired with the pants. So hang on, and we're gonna come down so you can see the pants. But the pants, really quick, are the 41 Hawthorn. They're the HR Workleisure Commuter Canopy Ponte ankle pant with Pintuck. Okay, so here are the pants. I'm gonna come away so you can see them, but here it is with this Love ELLIE top. It's just a knit top. So there's the front of the pants. And again, I have them paired with my Express booties. And I actually had to cuff it under. So I don't know if you can see, they're really long. Like, I'm short, so they kind of come almost over the booty. So that might be an issue, but I do have this, I don't know if you can see it. It has like a stripe kind of like in the material down the front. And the material is kind of, looks almost like a brushed material. Really pretty. They are kind of dressy. I'll show you the waist. So, and I actually ordered Spanx. So I'm wearing the Spanx underneath because it's kind of holding me in, because otherwise I feel this top might not be as generous in this area after some holiday indulging. But here's the waistline, front, and here's the back. Good fit. So I don't know. You'll have to let me know what you think of this first outfit, but I'm going to switch and I'm going to come back with the second outfit with the last 3 items in this fix. So hang on. So I'm back and I have outfit 2 on, and spoiler alert, the jeans are mine. The tags are off. I've already worn these. Like I said to you, this box came right around Christmas and I actually tried these jeans on and I love them. When I get down, I know you're only seeing the top, but I wanted to give you a quick heads up. These jeans are by Judy Blue. And I have already purchased Judy Blue jeans in the past from Stitch Fix, and they are probably by far my favorite pair of jeans that I own at this point. So I wasn't thinking I wouldn't like these either. So I put them on and I'm like, oh my God, these are so comfortable, and I wore them a couple of times already, and I actually wore them on New Year's Eve. So they're mine, they're staying with me. But that said, on top, I have the last 3 items on. On top, I have by Michael Stars, the Cerella brushed knit top. And hang on, just so you can see the color. The color is like a burnt orange, and I don't know, I really do kind of like this, but I do happen to like Michael Stars. And I don't know if you can see because I'm wearing, this is from Ever Eve, but it has like this keyhole detail here at the neck. And oh, by the way, it has thumb holes. One arm I'm wearing because I have my Apple Watch on without, but I wanted you to see the thumb hole. So yes, thumb holes. And here's the full length. And on the side, it has this like cutout notch, but still material in the cutout notch. Here's the front. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's like tunic-y, like a tunic length in the back. So you can see it. And I'll pan down in a minute because I do have the jeans on. But before I pan down, I want to tell you about the jeans that I am keeping. Like I said, these are by Judy Blue, and these are the Adelene Girlfriend Distressed Jean. And also I did put the Dolce Vita boots on. These are the Dylan Suede Bootie. And earlier, like I said, I was wearing the extra. I had gotten, by Spanx, I got the Everyday Shaping Brief. It was in the color black, size small, and that was, if I didn't put a picture up, that was $22, the Spanx. But I'm not wearing them now. So here are the jeans. So they're pretty much, I want to say, like a mid-rise, not quite high, but my belly is here, so it's like right above my belly. So here's the front, working pockets on the front. Here's the back. Perfect fit, no gaping, very, very comfortable. So again, I'm working pockets in the front, working pockets in the back. I don't know if you can see, so distressing, a little bit of distressing here, a little distressing on like the leg area. This side I have it cuffed down with the booty. So these are the Dolce Vita booty. And this side I have it just cuffed slightly with the Dolce Vita booty. Here's the full length front. Here's the full length back. So I wanted to show you the booty by Dolce Vita closer up. So here is the booty. Here's the side, has this pretty like cording detail, gray suede material. And then the back has the zipper. So it zips up. So I'm back and just want to do a very quick recap. So I left the last outfit on, and in case I believe you saw all the pricing, but let's discuss the full pricing of all items in the fix. So I got 5 items plus an extra with the Spanx. So the stylist subtotal pick for the 5 items is $347, and the buy all discount, that's right, if you get Stitch Fix and you buy all 5 items, you get an extra 25% off. That buy all discount is $86.75, but then plus the $22 for the Spanx, the new order subtotal is $282.25. Shipping is free, so the order subtotal again would be $282.25. Now, let's discuss a little bit about all the items and my thoughts. So as I said, we're going to discuss the items now, just briefly. You've seen everything. Like I said, the first item, which I'm still wearing, and you can't see because you're only seeing me from like here up, but I'm still wearing them, are the Judy Blue, the Adelene Girlfriend Distressed Jeans. I'm keeping them. So those were $58. I'm keeping them. I can't help it. I can't resist. They just fit wonderfully and they'll work. I will wear them. I've already gotten a good amount of wear. The next item is the Michael Stars top. This is a little pricey, coming in at $88, but I love Michael Stars, and it's a possibility. This is actually a possibility because I do really like Michael Stars. I still also have the Dolce Vita booties on. I just have to figure out, do I have a need for them? I just bought those boots from Express that I know are a little bit more dressy, and I do have a couple of other booties already. I have like, you know, more combat style boots. I do have in brown though and black booties, so I might have a need for the gray. I don't know if I really have. I think I have one pair from a couple of years ago, but I'm gonna have to go through my closet and take a quick look. But these are also kind of pricey. These are $99. So if I were to buy the jeans, this top by Michael Stars, and the booties, doing the Stitch Fix math, oh, and keeping the Spanx, because I do think I'm going to keep the Spanx, it probably would just behoove me to keep the other two items, because doing the Stitch Fix math, it would not make sense. But that said, you know, I'm gonna take a look through this footage and, you know, check out what I think, seeing everything kind of on me now. But as far as I can tell, like I said, I think I'm going to keep the Spanx. I already tried them on. I wouldn't send that back after trying it on, but I also think I do have a need for them. So that's the first item I think I would keep, like I said, and the jeans, of course. The Love ELLIE top, I have some other items in this color, so unless I'm doing a 5 for 5 here, I'm leaning towards sending this back, but let me know. I know, Carolyn, you're going to tell me you love this top and keep it. I have a feeling I can hear your voice in my head, but this one I'm a little bit on the fence with, to be honest. And the 41 Hawthorn, the pants, the black pants. I need to see real quick. See if you can see. It's hard to show. The camera's not doing it justice, but these pants, they are really nice and they fit very comfortably. I just need to see if I have a need for them as well. Like, yes, at the holiday time, I wanted something a little bit more dressy, but now we're kind of out of the holiday time and I work from home and I don't know if I'm really going anywhere that would necessitate these pants. Although, like I said, if this becomes a 5 for 5, I could consider grabbing these as well because they were a good fit, except that they were a little long and I had to like cuff them under with my dressy booties. So I don't know, I'm going back and forth here, but you've seen everything in this fix. So let me know what you think. Is this a 5 for 5? And you know, definitely a better fix than the last time. I will admit this had more potential for me, but do you think it's a 5 for 5? Do you think I should, you know, maybe just keep 1 or 2 items, maybe just the jeans and the Spanx? Or again, is it a 5 for 5? Let me know. That said, I just want to wish everyone a very happy and healthy new year. And thank you to all my continuing subscribers and friends here on my channel. Without you, I'd be nothing. And I just really want you to know how much I appreciate you coming back time and again. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And now I just want to wish you a magical day and bye.